Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners. In this tutorial we are going to create a model of a helical gear. So let us first see what we are going to create. So we are going to create this gear here, and there are some instructions given. The plane for the drawing, the second section is at an offset of 45 mm from the first sketch. The plane for the third sketch is at the offset of 50 mm from the second sketch. And one more note is given, that is the lot with 3 sketches. So there are total 3 sketches in this. Size 100%, 75%, 50% with a rotation angle of 15 degree between each sketch. So let us start with the first sketch. So just we'll start with the part design. So here we will create the part. So just create on the front plane. So the front plane will be the first sketch. So just go to the sketcher here. You can use of the customize command to get this tools customize. So I'll select the position sketch and just click OK. So here the profile is given, the profile dimensions are given here. So we'll create the first tooth here. So now as per the drawing, this vertical line is 85 mm from the center, and this is 100 mm diameter of this. That is the, you can say, the tooth bottom is at the 100 mm diameter, and the line is of 15 mm. So just create a circle here first, give it a dimension 100 mm. So just create this construction line, and now we will create this line, and it must be symmetric along this axis. Select this symmetry line and select this one, and now provide the dimensions to this line, which should be 15 as per the drawing. So now this line is 85 from the center. So provide the dimensions here. Sorry, it should be just delete it and select this line, select this axis here, and let's add 85. So now it is fully constrained, so 85. And after that we need to create this curves over here, which are of radius 65. So just select this arc, 3-point arc, select the first point, select the second point, and just create this as it is. And now we will make this point and this circle coincidence. Now just provide this radius over here, which will be 65, and make this mirror on this side. So select the mirror option and make it mirror along this z-axis. And one more dimension is available here, that is a 40 mm from this edge to this edge. So select both the points, this point and this point, and add it to 40 mm. So now you can see the first tooth is created. So now there are total 6 tooths. So we will make this in the sketch with the use of rotate command. So just select these tools, select this tooth, and there is an option available, that is rotate. Select the rotate, add the instances over here. Let us add 6 numbers, select this center here, then select this edge and just add here the angle, that is 60 degree. So you can see the 6 tooths are created. I will simply use this trim command, just select the quick trim, just double click here and trim this unwanted entities here. So now you can exit this workbench. So the sketch 1 is created. So now as per the note, the sketch 2, so as per this note, the second section is at offset of 45 from the first sketch. So let us create the plane first. Just select the plane and make it in the reverse direction and add 45 offset. So now the plane is created. So now we will sketch on this plane. So just select the position sketch, select this plane and click OK. So here there is one more note is given, that is a lot with 3 sketches, size 100%. So first sketch should be 100%, that we have created this sketch 1, and the second sketch will be 75%, third sketch will be 50%, and the angle between each sketch is 15 degrees. So just we will first make a projection for this. Just project this, and there is one option here, that is scaling. So just scale this sketch, so make a duplicate here and add 75%. So you see here this sketch is created. Now we will delete this sketch. So there must be 15 degree angle between these two sketches. So just select this one, and with the rotate command we will add an angle here. So we don't need to duplicate this, just select the sketch over here, just select the sketch, select the rotate option and select the geometry to be rotated. So again just select this one and select the geometry to be rotated. Here select the rotation point, and you can refer this bottom line information line here. Just we don't need to duplicate this, just only add this 15 degree angle and click OK. So you can see it is deflected to the 15 degree angle, and let's just exit this workbench. So now second profile is created. Similarly, third profile will be 50% of the first sketch and 15 degree angle between the each sketch, and the third plane, that is the third sketch, is at an offset of 50 mm from the second sketch. So again just take this third plane over here, make it a reverse direction and add 50 mm, and just again sketch on this plane. So make this sketch hide over here for some time and make it a projection of this one. Similarly create a scale and add it to 0.5, that will be 50% of the first sketch, and there must be a angle of 15 degree between the each sketch. So there must be an angle of 13 degree. So 15 for the second sketch and 15 for the third sketch. So the total angle we must have is 30 degree between this. So just rotate this with a just select this point and don't duplicate it, only add a 30-degree angle, just click OK. So now this third sketch is created. Just make these sketches on here, and now first we'll save this. Just save this on the desktop. So now we will create a multi-section of this. So just select the multi-section solid command and select the sketch 1. Just select. So there are some conics here, so we will just go to the sketch here, and there is an option that is a sketch solving status, and so just make these points as so just Control Z it, and again go to this sketch solving status and go to the geometry here. So these are the opens, so make them construction lines here, make it a construction, so you will get this implicit profile that is closed from the 24 curves, and then just exit this workbench. And now you try multi-section solid. Just select the sketch, again open this one and select the sketch 1, select the sketch 2 and sketch 3. So again sketch 3 has some problem. Okay, so that this we need to delete it or make them construction here. Just exit this. So select the multi-section, first section, second section and the third section, and make it a preview. Just click OK. So in this way this main profile is created. So this first portion is created here. Now we'll just create the simple boss like structures here. So here we'll create this one. So this is total 90 diameter, so that we have to extrude for 5 mm. So just first save this part, and now we will sketch on this face here. So create this circle of 90 diameter, and then just extrude this to 5 mm. Add 5 mm. So after that we'll create this one, that is 78 mm, and extrude it to 46. Select the sketch on this face, make it swap, and then just click OK, and which is of this 78 diameter. Add this 78 diameter and extrude it to 46. So make a pad, select the sketch and add a value that is 46. After that we will create this diameter that is around 76, and will extrude it till this one, that is 48. So 48 plus 22 plus this 10. So just create this 76 diameter first on this face. So there is some mistake, I think not 78, this is 76. just make it 76 and then exit this. So pad this for 10 plus 22 plus 48. So 10 plus 48 plus 22, just enter it. Again we will save this. After that this will be 65 and 32 pad. Just select this 65 and make a pad for 32 mm. So make a pad 32 mm. So now our pad is completed, and only the two operations are required to be done here. So we need to make a spline like structure. So for this there is a profile dimensions given here. So this is 5 mm vertical dimension and the 10 mm is the horizontal dimension. So just create a sketch on this face here. Just select this face, make it reverse, make it swap. So it must be above this edge. Just we will make a projection of it. And here we will add let's take a rectangle over here. So again this rectangle must be, escape it, and these two lines must be symmetrical along this one. So again just create this construction line over here, and we will do one thing. We will just make an intersection point for this edge and this line. So we will get this point, and now we will provide a dimension for this vertical line and this point here. This will be 5 mm and the horizontal dimension must be 10 mm. So just provide a 10 mm dimension. So now you can directly extrude this. So just check this first. The extrusion, how much extrusion we need is 48 mm. So again we will save this, and we need just exit this workbench and make a pad. So there are again some sketches. So that point we need to make it to construction, and now exit this and make a pad. So we can use the sketch solving status once again here. Just go to the sketch solving status, go to the geometry. So that projection we need to just make it to construction, again make it to construction, so you will get the implicit profile and close. So for this purpose you can use this sketch analysis for better understanding. I will try making a pad. So in the reverse direction and add this 48 mm. Yeah, no, sorry, it will be 46 mm, and then just create it. After that we will make a circular pattern of it. So we will approximately make a pattern of it here. So go to the circular pattern and select a complete crown. Select the axis, that is x-axis, and the current solid must be this one, and add these instances, let's say 10, and make it a preview. You can add this multiple, keep this 15, and then just click OK. So now most of the operation is completed. Only we need to create a groove here, so which will be of 22 mm diameter. So let us sketch on this space here, maybe this space, make it a reverse, just click OK. So here there is a groove available. Just create a circle of 22 mm diameter, just select 22, and there is a dimension given here. So here the dimension is given, that is 10 mm from this edge, from this first edge. So let us select this edge and this one, and that must be 10 mm, and here that this center must be in line with this. So there is option that is shill out edges here. Select the project's shill out edges and select this edge and make this to construction line. Just select both the lines and make it to construction. We actually don't need this one, so you can delete this, and just make this point and this line to coincidence. So now you can make a groove over here. Select a groove, and the sketch is all automatically selected. For the axis, just select the axis and click OK. So we'll save this once again. So now you can see the gear is created. Just hide this here, and so yes, it's done now. So in this way you can create this gear profiles here. So we'll just hide these edges over here, so, and we'll hide these planes as well, and just save this. So in this way you can create this gear. So thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.